Tucked away in the heart of southern Tuscany, the villages of Saturnia and Montemerano are two of the region's most charming and historic destinations, each with its own magic. From the entrance of the hotel from the main road, we had like 2 kilometers till the apartment. Here, where you see the fork in the road, we came from the right. On the left, there's the farmhouse with the rooms, the restaurant, the swimming pool, and the reception. So we went there to check in.
Non si può credere.
From the apartment, you have the view on Montemerano. Just a 10-minute drive from Saturnia lies Montemerano, a picturesque medieval hilltop town, often listed among the most beautiful villages in Italy. Montemerano. It's known for its stone houses, narrow cobblestone streets, and romantic atmosphere. In the Church of San Giorgio, you'll find a hidden gem, the Madonna della Gattaiola, Madonna of the Cat Door, a painting that oddly features a small hole, which, according to local lore, was made to let the church cat pass through. Montemerano was a fortified stronghold between the Aldobrandeschi and Orsini noble families during the Middle Ages. Don't leave without tasting local dishes like acquacotta, wild boar pasta, and Tuscan pecorino cheese. Saturnia is world famous for its natural hot springs, especially the iconic Cascata del Mulino, a series of beautiful, steaming thermal waterfalls carved into white limestone. The water here flows at a constant 37.5 degrees C, 99.5 degrees Cs, all year round. The thermal waters are rich in sulfur and other minerals, believed to have healing properties since ancient times. Legend says the springs were created when Jupiter threw a thunderbolt during a quarrel with Saturn, and where it hit the Earth, warm, healing water began to flow. Historical facts. Saturnia was originally an Etruscan settlement and later became a Roman colony. It lies along the Via Clodia, an ancient Roman road. Roman ruins, including walls and gates, can still be seen in and around the village. Whether you're soaking in ancient thermal waters or getting lost in medieval alleyways, Saturnia and Montemerano offer a perfect blend of history, myth, and natural beauty. A timeless slice of Tuscany waiting to be discovered.